Hello everyone, I hope we're all having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate how much you would need to invest to reach $100 per month from any dividend paying stock. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to take the dividend yield, the annual dividend yield, and you're just going to take 1200, so $100 a month, and that's the total annual income desired divided by the yield of 0.0365. So in this case for PepsiCo with a 3.65% yield, you do 1200 divided by 0.0365. That's going to give you $32,876 you're going to need to invest to reach $100 a month in dividend payments from PepsiCo. So I never said it would be cheap, but I'm going to show you some higher yielding dividend stocks. So I'm going to show you some higher dividend yield stocks so you can get an idea and a feel for how this works. So Ford Motor Company has a current dividend yield of 5.83%. So if we take 1200 divided by 0.0583, it gives us $20,583 that you would need to invest to reach $100 per month in dividend payments. And finally, we have JEPQ. And JEPQ has a current dividend yield of 10.72%. So if we take 1200 divided by 0.1072, that gives us $11,194 to get $100 per month in dividend payments. So this is a cheaper option, but just keep in mind that equity premium income ETF has a higher risk than individual stocks, and it also has a higher risk than an ETF, a dividend ETF, something like SCHD, because with SCHD, your risk is spread across like about 100 companies. So this is higher risk, higher reward. So just keep that in mind. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So I hope this helped you to learn how you can calculate whatever dividend income you want. You can use this formula to calculate it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing and dividend content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.